Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial for Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shutdown shortcut key in Windows 11 desktop. The hidden Windows shutdown trick you did not know about it. It's a unique way to power off your PC. Creating a shutdown shortcut key in Windows 11 desktop will allow you to shut down your computer with a single click. That makes shutting down your computer more fun and efficient. Let's see how to create this trick in just a few simple steps. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. Create a shutdown shortcut key. To do that, right click anywhere on the blank space of desktop, then go to new and then select a shortcut like this. Once done, then you will see this kind of window, create a shortcut. Here in the create a shortcut window, location field type shutdown space /s space /t space 0 like this, and then click next. Here rename your shortcut. By default the shortcut will be named shutdown. You can change the name to whatever you would like to name the shortcut as you wish. Once it's done, click finish. As you can see, the shutdown shortcut appears on the desktop screen. Now you can change the icon for the shortcut. Right click on the shutdown shortcut and then select the properties. Here in the shortcut tab, click on change icon. Click on OK. This will open a list of available icons. Find one that better matches your shutdown shortcut. Here you can select a power icon. Select it like this and then click OK. Once done, then click apply to keep the changes and then click OK. Once it's done, now creating a shutdown shortcut on taskbar. Then you can shut down your PC from the taskbar. Simply right click on the shutdown shortcut, then click show more options and then select pin to taskbar like this. This will create a tile on your taskbar that you can click to shut down your computer. Now you can shut down your PC with shortcut. Simply click on the shutdown shortcut, then you should see instantly your PC will shut down gracefully. Okay, that's it. If you think you need to disable this shutdown process, you can delete it easily. If you created it on desktop, unpin from the taskbar and simply right click on the shutdown shortcut and delete it. Done it. This is the way to create a shutdown shortcut key in Windows 11 desktop. That's all.
I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.